Hey, my people, oh, have you seen the latest ride of the future? Ebonyi people, this one is especially for you. Have you downloaded the EBOCAB app yet? If you haven't, just know you are sleeping on a moving train. Oh yes, literally. Another promise fulfilled, another win for the people, another step forward for Ebonyi State. Say hello to EBOCAB, the first digitally enabled, smart, secure, and very comfortable taxi system in the entire Southeast. This is not your regular keke and cab story. This is Ebonyi State leveling up in real time. You see this new transport system, it's not just a car on wheels. Nah, it's a movement, it's a mission. It's the governor saying Ebonyans deserve way better, and I'm here to deliver just that. And guess what? The journey of this amazing project kicked off officially in October last year. And today it's not just complete, it's fully functional. That means you can go from Abakaliki airport to Piri market, or from Presco to my 50 with just a few taps on your phone. Who would ever believe that something like this will reach our side? This one, na better Uber, we sabi. This is more than comfort. This is about safety, regulation, ease of movement. This is Ebonyi State saying goodbye, bye-bye to unregulated, risky transport systems in the state. And let's not forget the jobs that is creating for our people. More drivers, more tech operators, more support staff. EBOCAB is not just transporting people, it's transporting lives into prosperity. Download the EBOCAB app today. It's readily available on Play Store and App Store. Super easy to use, very affordable, and 100% secure. Oh yes, this is Ebonyi's own transport innovation. Not imported, not borrowed, homegrown. So, Ebonyi people and the entire Igbo, if you ever find yourself in Ebonyi State, whether you're going to school, market, hospital, wedding, or even just walk about, no more stress, no more overcharging, no more arguments with drivers, unnecessary arguments. Comfort is now just one click away. Tell us in the comment section, have you booked your first EBOCAB ride yet? How was the experience? Would you recommend it to others? And please help us share this news, because when good things happen in Ebonyi State, the whole world should know. Don't worry, very soon, personally, I will try out the EBOCAB transport and tell you what I think about it. EBOCAB is here. Ebonyi State has just leveled up. Download now, Play Store and App Store. Like, share and comment. See you in our next video.